Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Tome on your smartphone devices, both iOS and Android. As always, I'm Nasif and I make tutorial videos on software products to increase your productivity and efficiency at work. If you're interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Join me on my screen. Let's start. Okay, so I'm on my Tome account. If you want to download onto your iOS, if you search on the Apple Store or the App Store, you would not be able to find Tome unless you do this. You have to come to your profile, you click on Tome for iOS. Currently it's available on only iOS devices, so you click on it and then you use your camera to scan. Okay, so you use your camera to scan, and then on the camera you see view in iOS store or App Store, and then you see this page. So after that you click on download, and then here you have it. Thank you for watching, and then see you in our next one.